मैं इनका पूछी थी ये भी इनके साथ दो तीन ऐसे मतलब वैसे इनका कम्युनिटी जगह है नहीं छोड़ रखा है क्योंकि अभी जो वीडियो देख रहे थे उसमें भी एक हाँ இந்த மேக் பண்ணிருக்காங்க பாருங்க வீடு அப்படியே ஒரு மழை பெஞ்சா கூட உள்ள தண்ணி போகும் என்ன போகாது இந்த அளவுக்கு கட்டுறது ஒரு சீசன் தான் குழந்தை பக்கம் இருக்குங்களா அப்புறம் அந்த வீடு இதாக இருக்குங்களா இல்லை இல்லை குழந்தை பக்கம் இருக்குங்க குழந்தை பக்கம்னா இது இதாக
पानी है क्या?
उसमें है थोड़ा
देखो ऊपर ऊपर सारी वो वाइट पिंक जैसी है, नीचे वाली सब डार्क हो गई है। नहीं अलग
கோழி நெருப்பு கோழியா யாரா நீங்க அப்படின்னு யாரா நீங்க சத்தம் போட்டு சொல்கிறோம் இது பாரு அப்படியா புரியுதா சூப்பராக கத்துது இங்கே வர சரவணா பொட்டுன கடிக்குதியா
கடிக்கட்டும் ஒரு கடிக்க வாங்கிக்க
பாருங்க அவனுக்கு மதியத்துக்கு எதுவும் செஞ்சு விடுங்க
அவருக்கு போன் அடிப்பா
யாருக்கு
யாருக்கா ஒரு ஆளை காணுங்க ஒரு மனுஷனை
இருப்பாப்புல
அந்த அங்கே நிற்கிறாப்புல எங்கிட்டியா கத்துது?
ஷோ நடக்குது போமா.
ம்
வாங்க அங்கே முன்னே போய் பார்ப்போம், அப்புறம் கூட வந்து பார்க்கலாம். ஷோ முடிஞ்சிட போகுது.
அது நீ மேப்பில் பார்த்தா தெரியுமா?
She would not have been able to survive, but right here at the paradise, she was respected out and has now found a safe and permanent home with us. Now, wasn't that quite warming? Alright, so let's check back on our volunteers. Alright, volunteers, moved up. Okay, just as a reminder, keep your hooks very still and steady, and as the bird is flying through, please remain still, right? And last but not least, you keep on smiling because all the cameras are on you, so look it up. Whenever you are ready, you can make your way to the shoe. Okay, final adjustments. Alright, okay, Olivia. There we go. But there was a little bit too fast, right? So shall we do that one more time? Yes or no, one more? Okay, Olivia, come on there. And back to Genevieve whenever you are ready. And there we go. Once again, we give our volunteers a round of applause and as well as Olivia. Alright, thank you guys so much for your participation. Thank you. And as you exit the stage, please do watch your step because it might be a little bit slippery.
எப்படி இருக்கா? பெருசா இருக்கா?
X game. Come on, shut up, answers. Anyone? 360. I heard 360 day. 170. Yes, 180. Actually, 270 degrees is the correct answer. How about you guys give round of applause for yourself, everyone? Now, whoever said 360, remember 360 is a full circle. And if the owls were to do that, they might sprain their neck, and we don't want that to happen. And I think Latif and Eclipse has done a really good job and ready to head back home. How about we applause for our Malay fish owls, everyone? The species of eagles in the world. But they over here came to us from the zoo in France. Bonjour.
All female raptors are larger and heavier than the male, and she is no exception. Her big and talons are huge, making her an unmatched huntress. Well, you're here with 4.7 kilograms and flying at high speed. She's able to lift up a prey of up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
Now, young bald eagles like Dio right over here have a dark brown feathers. But in a short while, we'll show you a video. We will see the changes of their plumage when they are grown older. Usually around 5 to 6 years of age. Alright, you sure? There you go, very nice right there.
That's why they're very impressive. And with that, let's welcome our adult female bald eagle. Let's welcome Susie.
Oh, very beautiful. Now, as you guys look at the picture and the video just now, you can see that this is actually an adult American bald eagle. When they are older, they will look like this, very majestic.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, I think it's about time for Dio to head back home. How about we give round of applause for Dio, everyone? Our juvenile bald eagle. Sorry about that. Oh, very energetic. And back to Susie. Susie over here has been together with us for more than 27 years, making her a much-loved member of the Mandai family.
Well, in zoos or bird parks like this one, animals live a lot longer than they would in the wild. So that means they would have to retire after working for so many years.
கொக்கு பற பற கோழி